The new Range Rover Sport's range of accessories perform to the same exacting standards as the vehicle itself. Getting in and out and reaching the roof is easier with automatic electrically deployable side steps. Carry bikes, skis and more using fixed point crossbars with no need for roof rails. Personalize your vehicle with alloy wheels available in a wide range of contemporary and dynamic designs. With full HD front and rear video cameras, the integrated dashcam continuously records whilst driving and can also be set to record should your vehicle be approached while parked. Featuring Range Rover branding, the patterned rubber footwell mat set helps to provide protection from general dirt and bacteria using antimicrobial technology. Manufactured from recycled synthetic rubber, they provide extra stiffness and durability. The click-and-play tablet holder can be adjusted to fit different sized tablets. It is easily removable and can be fully rotated and positioned at multiple angles for in-cabin comfort and rear entertainment. A click-and-play protective case required for tablet fitment ensures the tablet is securely held in place. The Pet Load Space Protection Pack includes a full-height luggage partition, quilted load space liner, and a spill-resistant water bowl. It is designed to provide protection and easy cleaning of the load space from wet and muddy paws. Providing a comfortable environment for your pets, the Pet Transportation Pack combines the foldable pet carrier, spill-resistant water bowl, and antimicrobial load space rubber mat. It can be fitted or removed quickly as and when required. The Pet Care and Access Pack contains everything you need to transport your pets with ease, combining the full-height luggage partition, quilted load space liner, pet access ramp, and portable rinse system. New Range Rover Sport accessories, expertly designed and engineered for our most capable and dynamic luxury SUV.